They say that breakfast is the most important meal of the day, and I tend to agree. It is definitely top 3. But putting together a balanced breakfast in the morning when you are a busy mama can feel like a hassle. But what happens when we don't eat breakfast in the morning? We feel hangry a few hours later, and we are way less likely to eat the foods that serve us. So putting together a quick, delicious, and balanced breakfast is important for us mamas. But how do we do it? Today I want to share with you my 5 top quick, easy, and delicious balanced breakfast options. Overnight oats, yogurt jars, my go-to green smoothie, avocado toast with some egg on top for some extra protein, and soft scrambled egg burrito. All right, let's go ahead and dig into some delicious and balanced breakfast.
All right, let's dig in. I'm starting by making overnight oats. I'm using 1.5 cups of rolled oats and 3 scoops of protein powder. This makes about 3 servings. I'm adding some cinnamon to it, and then I'm topping it with about 1.5 cups of milk. Mixing it up really well until it's all combined. Once it's all mixed up, I divide it into 3 containers. I like using glass containers and leaving room on top to add toppings in the morning. Then I set it in the fridge overnight. And in the morning, I add whatever toppings I like. I love adding some apple and some extra cinnamon and maybe some chopped nuts. And one of my favorites is adding about half a banana and topping it with a whole bunch of nut butter. I keep these in the fridge for a really quick, easy, and delicious breakfast. Next, I'm making yogurt bowls. I'm using coconut Greek yogurt here, but you can use whatever yogurt you like. I like something that has a little bit of protein in it to keep me full. To that, I'm adding a big handful of granola and some sort of fruit on top. I'm adding some blueberries to this one. And just like with the overnight oats, I store them in the fridge and they're ready to go. Now I'm making one of my favorites, avocado toast. I toast a slice of sprouted grain bread and add about half an avocado sliced on top. And then I add a hard-cooked egg for some extra protein. And then I top it with my favorite, the Everything But the Bagel seasoning from Trader Joe's. So good and so satisfying. Next, I'm making some soft scrambled eggs and turning them into a scrambled egg burrito. Making soft scrambled eggs is really easy. You just have to be patient. So I melt a little bit of butter or ghee in the bottom of a nonstick pan. I add my eggs, and the heat is on medium, by the way. You don't want it too hot. And I'm just swirling it until the eggs just cook. So easy. Once that's all done, I'm going to go ahead and grab one of my favorite Siete Foods tortillas. I'm going to add the eggs on top, and from there you can add whatever toppings you like. I love adding a little bit of avocado for some healthy fats there. I love adding a little bit of salsa, and some shredded cheese is my favorite way to make an easy, soft scrambled breakfast burrito. So delicious, so satisfying. The last option that you guys know I love is my go-to green smoothie recipe. I'll post the full video with all of the ingredients and how I make my go-to green smoothie, but the ingredients pretty much stay the same. It's usually some greens, some almond milk, some berries, some protein powder, some nut butter, and some cinnamon. It's just a delicious, quick, and easy recipe that I keep all of the ingredients on hand for an easy breakfast.
I hope you enjoyed these quick, delicious, and balanced breakfast options. If you like this video, hit the like button below. And if you want more tips, tools, and recipes on living your healthiest, happiest, most balanced life, don't forget to hit subscribe. For more recipes, head to my Instagram at HealthyMamaChris, and I will see you in next week's video.